Hey guys, happy 1st of December. Can you believe we're there already? So you know what that means, don't you? It's time to get tucked in to this bad boy. It's that big, guys. I'm going to have to just show you bit by bit. It is huge. So shall we take a look inside? Ooh. How beautiful is that, guys? Look at that. It's gorgeous. So those of you that have been with me for a while will know exactly how much this means to me. Getting a Madam Glam calendar is like a dream come true. So today's video is going to be a little bit longer than what the rest of the videos are going to be. Because I knew there's going to be a few different videos of these calendars, I wanted to do something a little bit different. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put an unboxing video out every single day, but it's going to have a little bit of a magical twist. Now, if you're not already subscribed to my channel, guys, hit that subscribe button if you want to know what that magical twist is going to be. But that's all I'm going to tell you for now. So, shall we get number one opened? So, let's have a look in a box number one. Ooh, so we have Madam Glam's Soak Off Base Coat. Nothing very exciting, but something we all need for that perfect manicure. So you get 15ml in your glass bottles. Another thing I just want to tell you about Madam Glam gels. They are all vegan, cruelty-free, 21-free formula, palm oil-free and Hema-free. Amazing quality gels, guys. So that is what was inside box number one. So yeah, like I said earlier, guys, if you're not already subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button if you want to see the little magical twist what I've got planned for you. I really hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I hope to see you in tomorrow's video. Take care. Bye.